Hello and welcome to the 2022 range of motorhomes from French manufacturer Pilote. This is called an Expression. It is in the 7-meter class. It costs 66,000 euros. And let's have a quick look in. Right, so you come in, first thing you do is you turn the lights on. And now that the lights are on, walk in. And have a look around. Got a bed up there. There's the kitchen, and there's a queen bed at the back. Unfortunately, there is a step here, and come round here. Now, the queen bed models in Pilote do look all rather the same, somewhat Spartan in my opinion, and appears to look a bit Spartan. Well. So if you think, I've seen that film before, well, it does look rather similar to everything else. Slider here. So you can, oh no, you can't. You gotta. This here is necessary here for when to keep it stop sliding around when you're moving. And another thing, I'll just show you this. You know, it's quite tight, which is a good sign. Let's see. That moves across, so you can close yourself in if you don't want to see whoever's up there at the front. There you go. Isn't that nice? Isn't that a nice look? And gives you an idea how comfortable is the bed. The mattress seems a bit soft to me actually. I mean, maybe it's me. Maybe I'm just getting too heavy for it. Who knows? And windows either side. They've got these curtains up. I said that it looked a bit Spartan, and now I'm gonna think, oh, are those curtains really necessary? So you see, you've got this conflict, the conflict of saying one thing and then another. It's the duality of humanity. Right, they have this bit up here in the shower, and to be quite honest, I can't understand the point of it. But now I want to do a demonstration. Turn this thing here around. There's me in the mirror. There's some electricity in the toilet. Now, what's the point? I'll turn the camera around so you can see. So, what's the point of this bit sitting up here? Can you get, well, I'm sitting in the shower. I can't show you if I've got the thing pointing at me. I'm gonna have to turn it. So I thought, well, maybe this is a way of getting your feet clean in the shower, but it's not high enough. You need a bit higher one than that. Maybe there's another reason for it. So what do you think the reason for that is? Why does it come? I mean, obviously I appreciate that water flows down, but I can't see the logic to it. I was supposed to stand, maybe you're supposed to stand on this here. There you go. I'm standing on it. I've still got a bit of room. Well, that one's a mystery to me, but if you know why it's like that, then you can write your comment below and say why it's like that. Okay, in here, this is not the floor that comes with the van. This is protective floor. In here, despite the fact that 3 burners is the in thing in 2022, this one's got, sorry, the other way around. 2 burners is the in thing for 2022. This one's got 3 burners. And mind you, it's when you have this longer range, there's more space to put your pans on. I think that's really important, because people use domestic pans in not using sort of these things you might have once gone camping with in your tent. There we have a rather large table. I'm going to get the table out. Now the back I thought looked Spartan. The front I think has got more style to it. I mean, it's not a Niesman Bischoff, but it's still got more style to it. Now, this is the first time I've ever been in this motorhome, really. And so I'm going to now replicate what other people, first time they've been in. Obviously, a person would normally ask somebody who knows. But suppose I want to get this bed down. How am I going to do it? Alright, so where would you expect the switch to be? I mean, logically, maybe often switches are up here. Sometimes it could even be here, bit of a distance. There are brands that put them in here, or even here. Although this is illogical because it's now under the bed. So, well, you see, I wasn't in here before because I didn't know that was broken. All right, okay, it's there. And I haven't got the key. I had a key the other day, and I showed a couple, but I haven't got one right now. Ah, there's my mate Marco who has the key. Well, anyway, maybe I'll show that in some other videos. Right, so as far as this thing here is concerned, this is broken. I wonder who did it. It wasn't me, and I can't fix it. So it's gonna have to. I'm gonna put it inside. So whoever fixes it will know it. I have to unscrew the whole thing and put it back in. There we go. And here we have a switch for something. Telly up there as well. Right. What else did I want to show you? I'll show you the floor. There we have the colour of the floor. And down here we have, it shows you've got a double floor here as well. Good, we'll have a walk around the outside and then you can write down what you think of it. As far as I'm concerned, a really important feature is the garage. Now, with some models you can get a bed that goes up and down, but not this one. The garage is, I think it'll take 150 kilos in the back here, might even be more, I'm not certain. And you can easily get several bikes in there and what have you. There's also, you could put a plug in there. It's it may be connected, but it hasn't got the ending. Right. P746C Expression. We'll walk around here, have a look at it from here, this angle. So, what do you think of that? Good, not good, indifferent? Right, so, I'll tell you what, I'll just show you around some of the other vans whilst I'm here. Then, because this is P746FC, so I'll have a look at the JG as well. I think that giving these things numbers as names is horrible. There you have German layout. When you come in, this thing comes on. Can give you more lights as well. Anyway, I'll turn it off. Here's another 746JG, also with the German layout. It's the same name, it's just to give a an alternative look, see if it looks any different inside. It looks pretty much the same to me. This one here is 67,680, and the other German layout was 64,600. You know what I'll do? It's not really relevant this film, but I'll do it anyway. I'll show you this one here because this is really unusual. 72,630. It's called the 626D, but from the point of seeing something out of the ordinary, you've got a bed up there, you've got this enormous lounge in here, and at the back here you've got your shower, you've got fridge, you've got this storage, huge amount of storage. You know, this in a way is possibly slightly more suitable for a long-term living. But there's a slight problem because we've got the shape of the back there. We're not going to get much of a garage, and I'll show you the garage. I say so. Unfortunately, no, I don't know. You wouldn't get a bike in there. You'd have to put the seat right down, and even so it might. But anyway, I think that one's quite an amusing one. Good. So there you come back to finish this one here. Pilote 746 and FC here at Dusseldorf 2021 2022 range from Pilote. Thanks for watching.